Okay. If your Lexus sc400 is just turning over and is not firing up, I think I know what your problem is. Okay, there's this relay called your circuit opening relay, which allows the gas to flow through the fuel injection. If your circuit opening relay is bad, there will be no gas coming in the engine, which your car won't start. So, there's a way to bypass that. If you take the EFI main out while the key is on, and then put the EFI main back in, it will bypass that, which means gas will go into the engine, allowing you to fire it up. Thank you for watching.